Hi, I'm Vivian. Today I'm going to share how to make a tulip. Prepare 2 long balloons. Purple and green. Let's start with purple balloon. Stretch and inflate it. Reserve 5 to 10 fingers on the tail. Knot it. Roll it out from beginning to end. To make it softer and better shaped. Make a single bubble of 6 finger width. We need to make 6 same bubbles in total. The second one. The third one. The fourth one. The fifth one. The sixth one. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Connect them. Adjust the shape slightly. The flower part of the tulip is completed. Put it aside. Stretch and inflate the green balloon. Reserve 5 to 10 fingers on the tail. Knot it. Roll it out from beginning to end. Make a ring bubble of 3 finger width. Make sure the node is out. Make another 2 same ring bubbles. The second one. The third one. Connect them. You can wrap it whatever you want. Wrap it around a few times. Hide the rest balloon inside. Our tulip is completed. Follow me for more balloon designs.